Good evening. Hi, guys.
If you could
Thanks.
identify yourself, please.
Yes, I will. Thank you very much for coming. My name's Daniel Kormanic, and I used to live at 85 Great Ring Road, Sandy Hook. And I still live in Newtown. I have 5 daughters. 2 of them went to Sandy Hook School a while back. I have 5 grandchildren. There is other common things than the gun running through these terrible events. There's been 32, some of them, so says the internet. And a noted psychiatrist, Dr. David Healy from London, in New York, recently for a psychiatric meeting in response to what happened in Newtown, said that in an interview that psychotropic drugs are behind the school massacres. And this was his quote, and when 9 out of 10 cases in both the school shootings and the other mass shootings like the movie theater involve these drugs being prescribed, then a significant portion of these cases were either caused by these drugs being prescribed or the drugs made a significant contribution to the problem because they cause violent behavior. There's a wide range of problems when it comes to looking at these drugs for children, and he felt that very few children really have the serious problems that warrant the treatment of these kind of drugs or mental illnesses with pills, because it's more of a developmental thing, and we're making a problem. Psychotropic drugs are called selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Anyway, his other thing was that medical doctors who prescribe the pills do not necessarily cure mental illness, and that too many doctors are issuing these things willy-nilly. Independently, there's a, I guess, database available on the internet that shows more than 5,000 cases in which SSRI drugs have been associated with violent behavior in the U.S. and worldwide. This has been posted on the net. It's been compiled from the media, from reports in scientific journals, as well as Federal Drug Administration testimony. These drugs are Prozac, Zoloft, Paxil, Selexia, Lexapro, and Luvox.
If you could please conclude.
Yep. Okay. I want you to understand this. If that is the real problem, then kids undergoing treatment who are already in schools may be an embedded tragedy waiting to happen. And taking away guns from law-abiding citizens and legal gun owners will not prevent anything because, as we know, a criminal and a mental case will choose a different tool. From matches and gasoline to a speeding automobile, or how about poison on candy? I mean, they're only limited by their mind and the internet.
Thank you, Mr.
One last point. You talked about guns. I think of 5 pilots that wish they had a gun on 9/11.